Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm continuing this Crafty Christmas Countdown series and we are going to be unboxing days 13 through 18. So I'm a little confused because I got two day 13s and, well, I'm already a little late because it's day 15, but I tried reaching out to the person and they have not yet gotten back to me, so we're just going to open them up and I don't know. So maybe I'll be missing one later on. I don't know. But I also got in the day 10 that was a little delayed. So I'm also going to open that in this video. So let's just get right into it and see what's inside of these goodies. Okay, so here is the day 10 that came in a little later. We have this cute card that says "Let it snow, but not here," because I guess it's like a Florida kind of card. That actually looks really cute. That's like a perfect Christmas Florida card if I wanted to like cut this out and add it for something. I don't know. Ooh, she gifted me some doilies. These are cute. You could also use them as bait for baking and stuff, but I do like me some doilies. So thank you, Sharon. I forgot to mention that's from Sharon. But I think you guys know by now that all the envelopes are from Sharon. Yeah, so, okay, that's from Sharon. I'm going to put that aside. Then I have one of the day 13s from Sharon. So we're going to open this up. Ooh, I see little, I don't know if this is holly or... but they look like stickers, like jewel-like stickers. Ooh. So one of the day 13s is like these holly, some like little wreath things. It says Merry Christmas. These are cute. Very cute. Thank you, Sharon. Then I also have this one that also says day 13. So I'm just going to open this guy up too. And we got some tassels. Oh, I love tassels. Yes. Oh, I didn't even know you could buy tassels, but these are from Craftworks Craft Tassels. They're so fun. I love tassels. Yay. Thank you, Sharon. Okay, so since I opened day 13 there, I'm going to open day 13 from Kim. Just trying to keep the days in order as best that I could. So here is day 13 from Kim. Oh my God, so many goodies in here. Look at all these, what are these, like jemmies? Oh, it's a trim. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at this, guys. Oh my God, there's different patterns in here. That's so pretty. Oh my God, a rose gold, a gold, a silver, and then like a rainbow. How gorgeous are these? And then she also gifted me some, it's like a trim of, oh, there's three in here. It looks like flowers, stars, and regular buttons. But there's like glue on the back, so they're kind of like attached. It's like trims. Wow, where does she get all these trims from? Wow, I have like none of these. I never use like these thicker ones because I just don't know how. But I'm going to have to figure out how to use these. I know I could like cut them apart and stuff, but wow, these are so pretty. Thank you, Kim. Oh my God, they're so gorgeous. Alright, then we have day 14 from Kim, and she gifted me, looks like rosettes, ooh, and some bows. She went to town, guys. So here, oh my God, they're so adorable. They're so teeny tiny. And she attached some eyelash trim on these to match them. Wow, these are so cute. And then also a little gemmy, and then some bows. Oh my God, I love how little they are. They're so pretty. I love this heart one and this black polka dot one. They're so cute. Let me just try to get up close to show you guys the detail. Do you guys see that eyelash trim? Like, where does she get all these different colors of eyelash trim? I went and looked at Hobby Lobby, but they only have like 6 different colors, and I bought all the colors they had, but they didn't have pink or blue. They had like a green, but it's a dark green. Like, where is she getting all this from? They're so pretty. Thank you, Kim. Then I have day 14 here from Sharon. So let's see what's inside of here. Wait, how do I open this? Oh, it has a cute little K. Oh, little gift ornament. That's really cute. Thank you, Sharon. love it. And I love this card. I'm going to save this because I could die cut some stuff out of here. I love plaid. I don't know why, but I do. Oh, this is so cute. Aw, thank you. Then I have day 15 here from Sharon. So let's see what's inside of here. Oh, we got these little bookmarks. Oh, I don't read books though. I don't know, maybe I could like re-gift these or something, or I don't know, maybe I could actually use them. Oh, I could use them in like a embellishment thing. That would be really cute. Oh, I could use them. I think they're like magnetic, so I could make like an embellishment kind of little flip book or something and use these to clip on or something. You know what? I'm going to find a use for these. I could use them for so many other things. So thank you, Sharon. And then I have day 15 here from Kim. So let's see what Kim has in here. Oh, she gifted me some tassels too. Oh, how cute. I think she made these though. Oh my goodness. Oh, she gifted me another one of these. This was in one of the other boxes for the days. If you guys saw, I think it was, I don't know, the first set of days 1 through 6, or maybe, yeah, I think it was days 1 through 6. And it's supposed to be like a little fan looking thing. I don't know which way it goes. I like it this way because it kind of looks like a tag, and I feel like I could attach it to something, but I think it actually goes this way. I don't know. And then she also made some tassels. I think she made them. Really, really cute. Oh, I don't have like string like this to make tassels, but how fun. I love it. Thank you so much, Kim. All right, guys, I am back to do day 16. So, I don't know, should we do Sharon's first? I mean, it doesn't really matter. You guys are going to see both anyway. But let's see what Sharon got me for day 16. Oh, it looks like a die. Ooh, Stampin' Cut Hero Arts die. Wait, I think I might have this one. I might. I have to double check. I'm not really good with coloring, but I have been trying to get more into stamping and coloring, but it looks like whatever stamp I color, I mean, maybe it's just the outline, but it kind of looks like it would give me like this whole entire thing. I have to see, but I do like that it says Happy Holidays or Merry Christmas, and I could just die cut that out even though there is no like die for that piece for the words. But I like that it also has a to and from, or with love. Oh, I like that this one will get cut out because I could color that. That would be fun. Thank you, Sharon. I love dies. And then day 16 from Kim. So let's see what's in this box. I love the packaging on this. I might have to keep this one to like die cut some stuff out of here. And what is this? Are these just tags? Ooh, there are a whole bunch of tags. Look at that. Some Christmassy tags in here, and she included some string to go with the tag. How thoughtful. This one looks like a birthday confetti theme. This one looks like fall. And then this one is just like fun. Like I see typewriters, I think a bicycle. Oh, thank you, Kim. I love this. This is such a cute idea to gift somebody for another day. Like, I'm writing down everything that people give me so that when I do this next year, I'm not struggling trying to figure out like what to put in them, but like I have more ideas. So thank you to both of you, and I'll be back for day 17. Okay, guys, here we go for day 17. I don't have day 17 or 18 or any of the other days from Sharon, but I have day 17 from Kim, so I could open up this one. I don't know when those other ones are going to arrive, and I have a feeling they're not going to arrive until maybe after Christmas, so that other video may be a little bit delayed. So anyway, here is day 17. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, but I'm not going to look. Some of you guys had told me that you guys enjoyed seeing me like open this and not seeing it and trying to figure out like what it is. So I'm going to try and do that again. So I'm going to close my eyes. They're closed right now. Oh, did I just break this open? I did. Okay, what are these? I want to say they're little, gemmies. Maybe some gemmies. I'm like trying to feel around. Gemmies, and ooh, this one kind of feels like a rose. Like one of those like resin roses, but why is there just one big one? And then, I don't know, maybe these are leaves or something? Or what is this? I don't feel like this one feels like a rose. Maybe, no, I think these are like gemmies. Some kind of gemmies. Alright, so I'm going to open my eyes. Oh my goodness, I was so off, guys. This literally felt like a rose or something. Like a resin rose. Okay, these are so cute. Look, these are little paper clips with a heart. There is a, I said Gemmy, but these are, I think it was on this one. I said Gemmy, and these are little bows. They're so cute. And these are little paper clip embellishments. Oh, they have a cute little bottom, and you could clip them on in a planner or something. Wow, these are really creative. How adorable are these? And then these guys are little like flower things with some more eyelash trim in the back, then a background paper and a button with some like twine tied around it. Like those are super cute as well. Thank you, Kim. I was way off again, but this was fun. So I'll try to do this again for tomorrow. Alright guys, so I'm back to open up day 18 from Kim. I have still been waiting for days 16 through 21 from Sharon. They still haven't come in yet, but I'm going to open up day 18 and then edit this video, and hopefully everything else will be in time for the next video. But if not, I guess it just won't be in a video because I also have to get these videos done for you guys. So here is day 18 from Kim, and let's open them up. Ooh, little pom-poms. Oh my god, it's like stuffed with pom-poms. Oh, what is this? More like, is this tulle? Yes, tulle. Look at all of these fun pom-poms, guys. They're just like all over the place. I love pom-poms. They're so fun to craft with. So yeah, and then this is some tulle that she wrapped up so that it would stay in there. I actually don't have tulle that's not glittery. So thank you so much. I'm always looking for it, and I don't need like a whole entire roll. So thank you, Kim. Alright guys, and that wraps up my days 13 through 18 for this advent calendar opening swap thingy-mabobby. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check out the 2 previous videos. I will have them linked down below. And also check out the next video for days 19 through the 24th. So I will see you guys in my next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!